Okey, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhlaum. Nombor metis 01DDT20F1009.
Saya Hafiz Jad bin Razali. Nombor metik saya 01 DDT20F2177.
Nama saya Syed Ahmad Amar bin Syed Syekh. Nombor medik saya 01 DDT 20F2074.
Okay, hari ini kita orang akan membuat presentation tentang projek 1 dan 2 tajuk e-booking Wilson Distance.
So for introduction, nowadays technology has changed many aspects of life, and people's daily life is becoming invisibility from the network due to development of internet. With online data reservation system, the process gets much faster and more efficient than traditional way. Thousands of business and organizations have already discovered the advantage gained by using the online reservation system. Online lattice reservation system allows the system administrator to access and manage the database online, quickly pull data and create strong reports right from the online reservation system with most particular to find the fastest information instead of having to maintain and manage separate data files, folder and spreadsheets. This simply navigation the system just as any website. The data will be housed securely and safely online. Excuse me, sorry. So next problem of current system and proposed solutions. Previously, patients who wanted to make appointment at Wilson Dental Clinic had to fill out a hard copy appointment form. This made it difficult for the staff admin to prepare a cabinet to store the patient information form and have to ask the patient to update the latest information. Besides that, you need to go to the clinic to make an appointment and need to fill out a hard copy information form so that the staff can provide dental treatment equipment before the date of the appointment. This made it difficult for patient to allocate time to go to the clinic just to make an appointment. Therefore, we want to create a smartphone application for Wellsoon Dental Clinic to make it easier for patients who want to make an appointment and fill in information only on the smartphone application without having to go to the clinic.
Okay. For requirement analysis, there is a number of basic requirements every good system should have, both functional and non-functional. They include function requirement, limit every account to a single user, associate every online booking with an account, enable users to search and find the most relevant options. Confirmation should be sent to the specific contact details. Calculate and display accommodation charge and other utilities. Display and change the record of user and cancel bookings. For non-functional requirement, use encryption to avoid loss of user. Search results should populate within acceptable time limits. Users should be helped appropriately to fill in the mandatory fields in case of valid input. System should accept payments via various payment methods, easy to use, efficient and accessible. Keep track of documentation, activities and responses.
Design diagram. DFD bermula daripada contest diagram ataupun level kosong, level 1 dan seterusnya. Tapi untuk projek ini saya hanya membuat dua level iaitu level kosong dan juga level 1. Untuk level kosong terdapat 3 item iaitu external entity, process dan juga data flow. Bawah. Untuk level 1 pula dia lagi advance daripada level kosong dengan penambahan data flow, proses dan juga adanya data store untuk menyimpan data. Interface design, homepage. Yang pertama, profile, place to store and edit user information. Number 2, settings. Here is where to change the font size, terms and about this application. Number 3, available icons. Yang pertama, booking a place to make an appointment. Number 2, cancelling, place to cancel a previously made appointment due to unavoidable circumstances. Dan 3, others. Here are options such as a list of dentists in the clinic, a list of service and price for each service offer, detailed care tips, advice. Number 4, list of appointment made. If you have made an appointment, information about the appointment you have made will be displayed in this section. Sign up. Number 1, back button. Place to return to the previous page. For example, in the sign up section, if you press the back button, you will go to the homepage section. Number 2, text box. A place for us to type letters, numbers, and the like so that we can provide the necessary information in the application before making an appointment. Number 3, button. To move on to the next process. For the next button sign up page, you will be taken to the sign up page to enter username and password. On the sign in page, the done button will take you to the home page. Sign in. Number 1, the forgot password section is provided to give an opportunity to users who do not remember the password during sign in to press this section and will be taken to an page that requires you to fill in the email you provide when filling in the sign up page for you to reset the password you have created and recreate a new password. Customer customer booking form. Number 1, in this section, you just need to press on the symbol on the right side to select the service that and time you choose to make an appointment. If the service you want to do is not in the section, you just need to press other on the type of data service button. Number 2, if you select others, you need to type in the other section to type the service you need. If you do not select others on type of data service, the other section will be obscure, meaning you do have type in this section. Number 3, when you press the done button, you will be taken to the appointment details page to review the information you have made in the booking form section. Customer cancel form. Number 1, if you click on any part of the list of appointment made, appointment details will automatically appear to review the information found in the part you have selected in the list of appointment made. Number 2, in this option section, you can give a reason why you want to cancel the appointment. If you do not want to give a reason, you do not have to type in this option part. Number 3, this warning is made to remind you to cancel the appointment at the allowed time only. Customer profile page. Number 1, on the profile page, the information you have filled in on the sign up page will be displayed. Number 2, if you want to change any information on this profile page, you just need to press edit profile to enable you to edit the information you want to change. Test plan. Test yang pertama, test main page, booking, cancelling others, list of appointment made. Test data directly on the icon bar, result, show the home page again. Test 2, test sign up, fill the form name, email, date of birth, marital status, gender, phone number, address. Test data must be insert all the user detail form, password must be in alphanumeric. Result direct to login page. Test number 3, test sign in username password dan forgot password. Test data sign in the client username and password. If error, user must click the forgot password. Result, the user successful login page. Test number 4, test booking form. Fill the date, time, types of data service. Test data, set the available date and time for client appointment. Result, click done and direct show to appointment detail. Test number 5, test cancel form. Show the list of appointment made. Test data must give the reason for cancel appointment. If cancel automatically pop up, you can only cancel the appointment 3 days and above before the appointment date. Result, click cancel and direct to main page.
Okay. For implementation, the implementation of e-booking in a Wilson dentist. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for online services. These web services include booking, email, social networking, information retrieval, and more. In an effort to meet the ever increasing demands of these various applications, the e-booking providers strive to simplify procedures and facilitate access to them. This article introduces the idea of creating such as e-booking in a Western dentist in order to provide citizens with the opportunity to booking easily and quickly a room of their choice, with the benefits of their choice in e-booking. Keywords: e-booking, healthy system, cost benefits, simplifying procedures, new technologies. For advantage, benefits for the client patient. The client patient feels more secure, more informed, and calm as their anxiety about the unknown reduces. An image is formed of the place to be hosted and the services provided to the client patient or one of his family members in such a stressful period. Reduces the patient client's time of stay and hassle, as well as the working time of personnel in patient admission office during data entry, as a booking will be done by the client patient himself or by the doctor. The option of choosing any private hospital serving the client patient is great. Check prices from client patient for ease of repayment, as he will be aware of their hospitalization costs from the beginning.
So, for limitations, this system will provide the booking appointment for customers. It is having some limitations in case of inquiry when customers need to confirmation when they should come to meet the doctor through the system. It will go directly to the staff chat box. It means the system don't have a separate web page for checking all the customer inquiry and send reply promptly. Next, for conclusion, the system is having some benefits for customers. In homepage, customer can choose appointment for cancelling or booking and other. The application will work for both OS platform, iOS and Android. By this, customer can book by this eh, can book by using this application. Besides, customers need to register before using our app. If the customer already had an account, then can make appointment online from their phone. So overall, the system will give the customer a better user-friendly environment to book online.
Sekian itu saja daripada kami presentation. Sekian, terima kasih.